Assalamu alaikum everyone. So in today's video we will discuss 108 convert sorted array to binary search tree. Let's read its description first. Given an integer array nums where the elements are sorted in ascending order, convert it to a height balanced binary tree. So first let's discuss what is binary tree. Binary means 2. Okay, so let's discuss its structure first. So for example, here we have a node, starting node. Okay, and we can say that this is the root node or this is parent node. Okay. All right, and the maximum child of this node can be only 2 or 1, okay, or nothing. So for example, this is root node and it has 2 child. So this is left child and this is right. Okay, and when we jump on these nodes, these left or right childs, the further it can have their own childs. Okay, for example, its left child is -10 and 9's left child is 5. So if for example the root node has 0 value, okay, so it's and the left node's value will be lower than this and the right node's value will be higher than this. Okay, and here is -3, so -10 is a lower value. Okay, that's why it is existing in the left side of -3, and 9 is greater than 0, that's why it is existing on the right side of this node, and 5 is existing on the left side of 9. Okay, so this is the basic structure of binary tree. And in binary, if for example we have binary tree, so we can traverse our binary tree in two methods. First is level order traversal and the second level order traversal or breadth first search, and the second one is depth first search. Okay, so what is the mean of level order traversal? In level order traversal we traverse our tree level by level and left to right. Okay, what does it mean? For example, at first level we have 0 and the second level we have -3 and 9. So we are moving minus left to right. First we will read -3 and then 9. Then we will jump on third level and we will move left to right. First we will read -10 and then 5. So this technique is level order traversal or breadth first search. So what is the question is what is depth first search? There are three different type of techniques of depth first search. First is pre-order, in-order and post-order. Okay, and we will try to solve this problem. Here we have a tree and let's discuss what is pre-order traversal. In pre-order traversal we will read the root first, then left and then right. Okay, hope so you will be familiar. You are familiar with this technique, so let's move on the solution of this problem. Okay, uh, here is input array, so we will convert this array into a binary tree. So and it is 100% sure this array will be in sorted form in ascending order. Okay, so we can easily find the mid of this array, and this will be the root node. Okay, then we will check, uh, yes, we can check that uh, this -3 will be existing on the left side, or we can say that uh, in the left side of this 0, uh, the 10 will be existing here, and -3 is bigger than this -10, then this -3 will be existing on the right side of -10. So we can do this by two ways. Okay, and for example, this is the right part. We can say that here is existing 5 because 5 is greater value than the parent node, than the parent node's value. Okay, so and 9 is greater again, then it will also existing on the right side of 5 node. Okay, so let's implement its solution. uh, for, for example, we will use recursive method here. What is recursive? In recursive method, we will call uh, 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 we will call this function again and again. Okay, until we solve the problem. Okay, so for example, if we have length of nums, okay, with 0, then what we should to do, we can return none, N-O-N-E. So in Python, this n will be capital. Okay, and for example, its length is only 1. Let's check if the length of nums, okay, is equal to 1, then it will be the root. So we can simply say that new tree what we just need to create tree node. Okay, we can say that return tree node. So I think so we can write in that way, tree node in Python, tree node. Okay, and the value of tree node will be the index 0. Okay, so if the length of nums is equal to 2, then we can say that we need to create a new tree. Okay, and in this condition the tree node will be the value of 0 index from nums. Okay, and the value of one index should be fixed on the right side of the 0 index, because that will be greater than the value of greater than the value of zero index. Okay, because our list is sorted in ascending order. So yes, new tree, new tree is right. Okay, so we have to put that value on the right of this node, tree node. Sorry, nums. Okay, nums, and the value will be one index. Yes. Okay, and after that we can return our new tree. New tree, yes. And for example, if we have length 3, length of nums is 3. Yes. Then we can say that new tree is equal to tree node so here we can say that the value of first index will be the parent node, and the value of zero index will be lower. That's why the place of zero index value is the left side of this node, and uh, the value of second index will be placed on the right side of this node. Yes, so simply we can say that new trees left yes, new trees left will be the value of zero index. Okay, zero index of nums. Why this key is not working? Yes, nums, and the right value will be new tree dot right tree node nums. The right value should be this. Perfect. Now we can return our new tree. And here we need to calculate the mid value. For example, we have um, here is nums, and we just need to perform integer division. double slash is used double slash is used to integer division. If for example we want to ignore the decimal values of the answer, then we will use this double slashes. Okay, now I'm creating here head, and we can say that tree node should be the mid value. Okay, and its left head dot left should be self. Self is a keyword used to refer, which is used to refer. Okay. What is the name of function? Sorted array to BST. So we will use here a recursive method. We just need to call it. Okay, and here we will pass we will insert value on the left side of this node. So we just need to pass the left values of the mid. Okay, so left values are -10 and -3. So we will use here slicing technique, nums all the value, but mid should be exclude here. Okay, let me copy this line, and on the right side we should pass the right values of this mid value. So we do not need this mid, so we will use mid +1 here and pass the all values of the right side. Okay, at the end we can return head. Let me check. Yes, this solution is working perfectly fine. Outstanding. Okay, so hope you will enjoy the solution. Let's meet in next session, next video. Okay, Allah Hafiz everyone.